2023 you have elections primaries can Agyapong I'm so near the cabra na kweye sa interview no etimi gina o ka say central region for nim na omutu abama baumi a ade ode baye wo mo no central region won eboto ho ne papa dia anani maame Agyapade a odija no oya real di man.
All right, Abusia for how you gonna Asem TV. You must say bombe subscribe to the channel now. I'm a fan of drink your brow comment section. I'm sure Bibian. Abusia, Dasebre and we respond abre Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. F0r statement and I send a comment I will make and draw about say you got to a banner say to me zero ewo northern region nyina enya dia obeji abato na tum ena osako so ka say Dr. M0other esumun kofu a omuhuna ewo northern region ho enti say Dr. M0other etumi ba south ono so obey NPP papa eno ena Dasebre si Honorable Kennedy Agyapong no jai kasa tin no say obi hu say obeluzu abana hu say the grounds ni nyema no eno na o start say or the same way nyina toja. Now is it the first time obi be to call about wa obenya zero police station na abusia ena osam bisa say na central region na Honorable Kennedy Agyapong de bia ode years yi na uba central region na ye be ma show down ni ade nyina you see Honorable Kennedy Agyapong central region ade jama ye wo papa Agyapade a ya jama wo anase ye wo mame Agyapade ye jama wa wodi ye de wodi ye de wo plan say anko if it does not go in favor of you no o pese party in pro na enya de wo Kennedy Agyapong be wini aba na enne na wo wini e chena abuja mame nsam mre mma enko wona enko tie dia koka any Dasebre eka F0r nsema Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ade atoja endra e wo ni live yenkombra
bi hu no me papa bi ka say me say anka menya na yen discuss Kennedy Agyapong because who saw ye distraction keke oni adwempa enti oha nipa dun but eduru mre bi so a ya hwe ye a ye be say Kennedy Agyapong mama mfi no na o say party no me ge me ane say NPP mpanimfo ntimi ensekire ano enka asem nkire Kennedy Agyapong a waje party that time ni ase na ogu party no ani na ya because the party to say NPP na nipa ba ko tumi take the party to ransom there any ehu a party intellectual say wom to say Kennedy NPP na say Kennedy Agyapong ko a etimi ye de open obi antimi nka na asem a ehu pa kete da bia what the issue a identity mu beba and the party no wonder so can say me party me film ma metem ma tete wo mo and true to his words what mu tete party no
facha me yes I believe panimu bi say national insurance system no what type put nipa what diagnose nipa ko yare no ma na wo di aduru ma wo se wo tro aduru na se ene yare na nkwa na ana highlight
system
na system no aye
system no evaluation
highlight system draw be die ne de wo de ma no enko na was say
papers no
highlight na ba
yewu enti say de ne ye ka no say ya betoja if they give me 0 in various constituencies in the north I will not accept the results Kennedy Agyapong election say mampani mahama kan no so be be call election no ni so be lose ya no start no ka kan me say ya no o de bo kwan ato ho na olusu wi a we gina so aka kan de person keka aya die ni a obetime anya 0 2023 you have elections primaries Kennedy Agyapong I'm so near the cabra na kweye sa interview no etimi gina ho ka say central region for nim na omutu abama baumi a ade ode baye wo mo no central region won eboto ho ne papa dia anani maame Agyapade a odija no oya real di man na central region kan ho aso otumi kotina radio so say central region for nim na mutu abab di mabaumi a kwan odo mbe fa so no anya sem papa enne wo say say no fofo no unya constituency bi 0 a wo mpini na wacheda akofo obi abegina ho ohun say nipa no akwa no be di Asem no onko pa chew na say hu sunsan so ba no so so tell mo bi yusu e ma wo ye boni tia system bi a wo benya ho asotwe because unti megu party no ho fi ena nya wo so dia ni dia di kan cheda koto aba wo ne yire wo police station en so enfa ho nya ba ko me kai Eskin
General Eskin
say 1917 was the same okoto aba
that be 92
election rolling time okoto aba and so the police station wa nyebi enti enya we ni de nwanwa enti me de enema ekoso na pipi mpanimfo no ye besere wo no mo wo mo mpai mu enka wo mo nsekire no enka yase wo faase na ntinkuro wo mi a wo kem wo mu ani na yeti mo ye ho a kene de Agyapong be sai party no ama ye nyina me ho akire he wo mo yi bi o mo so makote election rigging machine munim wani o mo eye saade na ka be mo nwanwa munim se wo mo a kene de Agyapong team no e no mo ye saa niema no a confusion keke no mpeso mo de ba election no mu entoma ade wo mo akobọ atamfo bi a wo mo ne NPP nya anokoro e no mo eye saade nti du election a no ma be ye basa mo pekwan bi ambe faso na be stop kene de Agyapong mo stop no na wonye party banche wo bia
Koka our constituencies here internal elections me constituency say you DMB obia won council mo ye aduma nansen Brian Bar Greater Accra we a lot of camp because omo mi enu na ken sika se en omo nkrofo no we deflate na nkrofo en akuduro okọ north okọ ye no una uka chom se oba be bi companies e di product aba en ye busa say enti 24 years in politics no companies saying adena sa anoma we wan ye na afi na obey na wo hwe wo de nkrofo a enim de wo ho but ye fi say na wo te Greater Accra in fact any asene ena ni wata wo ye tribal politics now we ye tribal politics attack nkrofo wo ko ho no ena anya wo se so mo ma 0 so onye so obi abe ma 0 nobody is voting for you and a set time aso ye ka che honorable say sa ministro obi anya sa na wo nye be man nchen obi ye do baby a wo di see ye betwa ye do baby a will speak the truth to you honorable Kennedy. If you don't, you lack ideas to sell yourself. Okay? Game no is over for you. Nana Rebecca said, campaign no aton swomu. Kennedy campaign no aton swomu. There is no solutions. Only message. Untumini obi in kasa. Because normal tribal politics. Obeka say. Na na etete o. Ye wa abem o se etete o. Ye ni abem o etete o. Na ohwem sa ehwehu anu the delegates na ni abaso Ken honorable Ken philosophy na ko pese ye to from grassroots near to police station no a wipe mo amwo ho delegates ko be yi mu nyina afiwo executives ko be yi obi afiwo na ko pe new system no de aye ba anko no a o start cassette am start ye no wo hu se mo ye mbagema mo agini wo fie delegates enim de omo pe enti say no or the hu ma be obia onye be man nche obia or the hu ehun rankofo or party mu but this time odisi wa ye betwa
Koka ena moti ninkano godon
kwaku.
I'm asking you a specific question. Is it going to have the user's surname on the number plate?
We don't put names on number plates.
I asked a specific question. You said no, we are not going to put.
Yes. I was wondering why that question. Sorry, but we don't put names on number plates. That's why.
You were wondering why that question.
Because we don't put names on number plates.
What are you telling me? People pay to have their names on number plates, and you sit here as a DVLA boss. You tell me you don't put numbers on number plates. Haven't you seen specialized numbers with people's surnames and personalized names on number plates? For yes or no, please.
Yes.
So why are you telling me you don't put names on number plates?
So I can explain that.
Not that you can explain that. you don't expect me to ask you that question. That is what you said. You don't expect me to ask you that question because people do not put their number plates, their names on their number plates. That is a blatant lie. You have people who pay for specialized number plates and they have their. And I'm asking you, you just mentioned that there are going to be security features. And I'm asking, is that going to include people's names on that plate? And they said, you don't expect me to ask you that question. Are you not the DVLA boss?
Honorable Chair, I think he was trying to explain that we have different types of numbers that you can acquire.
Honorable Minister,
So
I understand that. He said he doesn't expect me to ask him that question because we don't put names on number plates. You're the DVLA boss. This is something that even a 1, 2, 3-year-old would know. That, oh, my father has his name, because we have personalized number plates, don't we?
They do.
Honorable Minister, don't we have personalized number plates?
I think he was saying that he expected the question to come at another time.
No, Minister.
When he was explaining.
Minister, I understand you perfectly, but he said he doesn't expect me to ask him that question.
Okay, so...
so if he can withdraw that statement, that is fine. Because we have people with number plates out there, personalized number plates out there. So respectfully, we are here based on questions and inquiries that citizens of Ghana want to know. And that is why we are here.
Honorable Chair, respectfully, I withdraw. It's not to say you don't know what you are saying. It is just to say that the normal person who goes out there to do registration, we don't put the name on the number plate. It is out of a special provision that is made. That's where personalized comes in.
So then I asked you a simple question because you said you are going to put in the security features. Yes. And so I'm asking, so is that going to include names on... the question should have been, no, that is not what... But you don't expect me to ask you that. Then why are you sitting in the chair as a DVLA CEO?
That's why I said I withdraw that statement.
So I'm asking you, share with us some of the security features because to be honest with you, out there, you see a lot on social media that this is how the new number plate is going to be. It is going to include your surname. It's going to include ABCD. So now we have the opportunity. The CEO is sitting before us, and we are just asking, is that going to include that? Yes or no? That is all.
So, thank you, Honorable Chair.
I don't think I can come to your office and show you disrespect.
The new number plates, there's always a provision for personalized identification numbers. When you come and apply for that, certainly it will be given to you. Thank you very much.